Can I get Netflix on my Nintendo Switch? No, Netflix is not available on Nintendo Switch as a native app. Unlike YouTube and Hulu, Netflix has not been released on the Nintendo eShop, meaning users cannot officially download or stream Netflix on the console. 1. No Netflix app on Nintendo Switch. As of now, Netflix does not support Switch, and there is no official app for download on the Nintendo eShop. 2. Limited streaming options on Switch. Currently, the only streaming apps available on Nintendo Switch are YouTube, available on the eShop, Hulu, available in the eShop in the US. Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and HBO Max are not available on Switch. 3. Using the Switch browser for Netflix. While Nintendo Switch does not have a built-in web browser, some users have tried to access Netflix through hidden browser tricks. However, this method is not reliable and may not work consistently for streaming. 4th, alternative ways to watch Netflix while using Switch. Since Netflix is not available on Switch, users can still watch it on smart TVs with the Netflix app installed, streaming devices, Roku Fire Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, gaming consoles, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series XSS, mobile devices or tablets with the Netflix app. 5. Future possibility of Netflix on Switch. There is no official announcement from Netflix or Nintendo regarding a Netflix app for the Switch. However, since Hulu and YouTube are already available, Netflix could be added in the future. 6. Workaround, watching Netflix on a separate screen. For those who want to use Netflix while gaming on Switch, the best solution is to stream Netflix on a separate screen, like a TV, tablet, or phone, while playing on the console. 7. Checking for Netflix updates on Switch. To see if Netflix becomes available in the future, check the Nintendo eShop regularly for new apps. Follow official announcements from Nintendo and Netflix. Netflix is not currently available on Nintendo Switch, and there is no confirmed release date for an app. Users must rely on alternative devices like smart TVs, streaming sticks, or gaming consoles to watch Netflix.